Hi guys, this is Nicole of Nicole's Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare Nikujaga, a Japanese dish which literally means meat and potatoes. It is usually cooked with beef, so I'm going to use today finely sliced beef. I have here about 800 grams of potatoes which I cut in bite sizes. Using a technique called mentori, I remove the edge of the potatoes. Besides that, I have here 1 onion sliced, 2 small carrots, about 400 grams of konyaku or shirataki noodles, few snow peas pods, and for seasoning I have here 200 milliliters of dashi, 200 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. If you use sake, if you use alcohol, add 1 tablespoon of sake. In a large frying pan or a pot, I heat up some oil and I'm going to add here the onion and saute it a little bit. After 2-3 minutes, the onion is no longer raw, so I'm going to add here the finely sliced beef and I'm gonna saute it until no longer red. Here I'm going to add the potatoes and try to cover them well with the oil and the meat juice. I'm going to add the carrots too. And now I'm going to add the konyaku or shirataki noodles, which I previously boiled for 2-3 minutes. Now it's time to add the seasoning. And I'm going to cover this with cooking paper, the lid. I'm gonna simmer for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to check and see if there's any foam formed on the top. And I'll try to remove it. The 10 minutes are not up yet, but I want to check the potatoes. Some of them are soft. The carrots are soft too. I'm going to add here snow peas just in one side and simmer them for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to take them out. I'm going to check on my snow peas. I'm going to take them out now because I want them to retain this nice color. Now I'm going to remove the paper, which I changed 2 times because it took a lot of the foam off on it. I'm going to turn off the fire now because I want to keep a little bit of liquid for when I am going to warm it up again. It says that it tastes better when you warm it up once more before serving. Now I turned off the fire and I'm going to take a small quantity out just to show you. There is not much liquid inside left. This is the Japanese version of beef stew, Nikujaga, beef with potatoes. The cooking time is much more shorter because the beef is finely sliced and the potatoes also are very easy to be cooked. It doesn't take more than 15 minutes roughly. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and I hope I'll see you again. Bye!